headed to Villa Grove, Illinois for the Villa Grove Car Show. Right now I'm headed down, well, it's just one of many country roads in Illinois. To the right we have soybeans over there. As you can see, and to the left we have corn. Acres and acres of corn and soybeans will be between me and Villa Grove. Rokke is all clean, shine, waxed, ready to be showed off at the car show. Here we are, more corn on left and right, and looks like they alternate soybeans as well. You see, it's an exciting place. It's an exciting world we have here in Illinois. All the roads are straight, essentially one big grid pattern, and if I ever get to turn, I'll be a lucky guy. Alright, so I'll check back in with you when we get to Villa Grove, Illinois. Here we are, Harrison Park. It's a really good show today. The weather is nice, it's warm, but it's nice. It's August, so, you know, August weather. Great variety of cars. There's also an adjacent fairgrounds going full speed. We've got rides for all the children. Hot dogs and hamburgers and other snacks. Anyway, I just thought I'd walk over here and show you what else is going on for the, let's say the people in the family who aren't interested in the cars, right? I'm not going to name names, but there are plenty of other diversions for the automotively inclined. Here's one of the newer Stingrays. Extremely well-crafted automobiles. This one's got Killer B for its license plate. It does have those yellow and black B colors. Beautiful car. What are your thoughts about the new Stingray? How do you think it stacks up stylistically to the C3s, C4s, C5s, and on? Here's another one, convertible. Not sure about those big engine covers. I'd probably prefer not to have those. I like to see the fuel injection or the carburation or whatever's under there. These are really nice cars, very tightly made. I'm still a C3 aficionado myself, but actually I tried to sit in these and I'm too tall. Alright, how about a C2? This is, well, it says 60, what would you say? Let's see, it's very snazzy, yes. Oh, let's see, I'm walking around trying to get some clues as to the year. Corvette Stingray. Yes, some Corvettes were for sale. They had about 3 of them for sale, all different years. Here's a C3. No air conditioning. I don't see any air conditioning there. It does have headers, I believe, for sale. Interesting gray interior. Would that be the original color with a yellow body? I'm not sure. Now this Camaro, I believe I've seen it at Maybe the Muhammad Auto Fest. Look at that cowl induction ring he's got around the air cleaner. Beautiful, possibly metal flake green paint job.
All right, if you have just
beautiful prowler.
haven't registered yet, come
Don't
up
care
and get
for that
registered.
shift knob.
Registration's open for about another
Very
hour
nice
and
car.
15 minutes.
What were prowlers? 1 or 2 years tops.
Car 12.
This one has, looks like it's had some custom work done to it,
Your door price ticket.
for sure.
Drop your door
Here
price
is a nice,
ticket to the DJ.
not sure of the year, Chevelle SS convertible.
Got a lot of cool door prizes. Couple of upcoming
Very clean.
Saturday, August 7th.
Lots of room in that engine compartment. No air conditioning. Who needs air conditioning when you've got a convertible, right? Look at this now. Pontiac Safari Super Chief station wagon. It's got a Safari badge there. And look at the rocket styled rear view mirrors. Look at the grille. Not sure what the engine is on this, but it's really cool. All right, here's some more markings. Super Chief. So it's a Super Chief Safari or Safari Super Chief. All right, here's some close-ups of engines, some greatness to look at. There's a Boss 302. I'm not going to know what all of these are. There's a couple of 4 barrels on a... Look at this skull. Did you see that? Now, any of this you'd like to look at, you know, longer. I'm just going to skip through these, but feel free to hit the pause button and enjoy all the details. This is all in high definition, so there's a lot to see here. Look at this Pontiac. Let me get a close-up on that hood ornament. There we go. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything like that? Alright, here's Rokke. Hello, Rokke. Rocky's looking just fine today. Bright and yellow. Representing the C3 Corvettes very well, I believe. Let me do a little walk around. I left the windows open because it is August. There's the flip-top fuel cap I installed. You might check a previous video for that. And you can see he's got his car show flag. Those are anchored under the rear tire. You can see the shadow of it there.
Money this year goes to Mission 22. They have a
Walk around here, looking
they
good.
They do some really great
I
stuff.
will say one thing about this bright yellow. It attracts little bees and bugs. They just love this color. Okay, there's the car show flag. Alright, well, we had a great show and we're headed home now. Hope you enjoyed the video and we will talk to you again next time.